Have you ever looked at a guy and wondered, how is he dating someone so amazing? Maybe he isn't the tallest. Maybe he doesn't have the perfect jawline or movie star looks. Yet wherever he goes, people naturally pay attention to him. Conversations seem effortless. He makes others feel comfortable. And somehow, he leaves a lasting impression. Now, compare that to someone who spends hours perfecting his hairstyle, buys expensive clothes, and constantly worries about looking attractive, but still struggles to build meaningful connections. Most people assume attraction begins and ends with appearance. Social media doesn't help. Every day we're shown perfectly edited photos, luxury lifestyles, and influencers who make it seem like physical appearance is everything. While appearance can influence a first impression, it rarely determines whether someone wants to keep talking to you. Lasting attraction grows from how you make people feel, not simply how you look. Today, we're going to explore why confidence often matters more than appearance, why body language silently shapes every interaction, and why the way you carry yourself can completely change how others respond to you. Many men believe they only need three things: a great haircut, stylish clothes, a muscular body. Those things can certainly help you look more put together. Taking care of yourself shows self-respect, and that's valuable. But here's the mistake. Many people stop there. They believe appearance automatically creates attraction. Imagine two different men entering the same room. The first is extremely handsome. He's wearing expensive clothes, but he keeps looking at the floor. He fidgets constantly. Every few seconds, he checks his phone. His shoulders are tense, and he avoids eye contact. The second man looks completely average. His clothes are simple. He smiles naturally. He walks calmly. He speaks clearly. He gives people his full attention. Who is more likely to leave a stronger impression? For many people, the answer isn't the first man, because human beings don't just observe appearance, we observe behavior. Long before someone consciously evaluates your looks, their brain is already processing hundreds of tiny signals about your confidence, comfort level, and emotional state. Most of this happens automatically. Think about meeting someone for the first time. Before either person says a single word, you've already noticed several things: how they walk, whether they seem relaxed, whether they make comfortable eye contact, how fast they move, whether they appear calm or anxious. These signals create an emotional impression almost instantly. People often call this presence. Presence isn't loud. Presence simply means you appear comfortable in your own skin. Psychologists often describe confidence as a combination of emotional stability and self-assurance. When someone appears calm under ordinary social situations, others often interpret that as competence and reliability. That doesn't mean confident people never feel nervous. The difference is that confident people usually don't let nervousness control every movement they make. Many people unknowingly communicate anxiety without realizing it. Maybe they constantly adjust their sleeves, they tap their feet, they crack their fingers, they repeatedly fix their hair, they avoid eye contact, they scroll through their phone every time silence appears. None of these behaviors make someone a bad person. They're simply common stress responses. The problem is that repeated nervous movements can unintentionally communicate uncertainty. Again, this isn't about pretending to be fearless. It's about becoming aware of habits you may not even notice. The good news? Awareness creates change. Once you notice these behaviors, you can gradually replace them with calmer habits. Imagine standing in a crowded room. Everyone else seems busy trying to impress people. Some talk too loudly. Others interrupt constantly. Some desperately try to become the center of attention. Then there's one person quietly listening. They smile. They make thoughtful comments. They aren't rushing. They aren't competing. Ironically, this person often attracts more genuine attention than the loudest individual in the room. Why? Because calmness creates emotional comfort. People generally enjoy being around individuals who make interactions feel relaxed rather than stressful.